Thank you to iReader for sending us this sample. This is the all-new sub-brand by iReader called Musnap. This is the exact same company as iReader, the devices are the exact same. This is just for more of an international crowd because iReader for the past 5 years has been battling to get into a place where they could really kill it on the international stage, but they just weren't having any luck with the iReader brand. So they rebranded and expanded into Musnap. And yes, there's also a pen. This is the Ocean C. This is the color unit. Let's take a look at the box. This is a review sample, so it's already kind of open here. We'll put some specs down in the description down below. So I'll put this, oh, already that feels interesting. I'm not going to ruin anything. So we have the Musnap Ocean series. So this is all going to be in the respective language where you're located. So they sent it in multiple languages as well as English. As you guys know, if you look back at our videos, we've been closely working with iReader for many years. We've told them to put English on all their devices. They complied and they did put English on their devices, and now they're moving into an all-new rebrand, although iReader does still exist. So we have a C to full right there. And you know what? Let's open the pen while we're here, because why not? And we got to open it anyways, and we got to see what's inside. I'm going to pretty much guarantee this is not Wacom, although they have used Wacom for many moons in their units in the past. So, wow, that's looking really nice. And let me see here. Nope. Comparing it off camera to our jar full of stylus pens, I can't say I've seen this body before. We do have a charger in the side, which many manufacturers do. However, this one is ovular. It's flat. Has a flat spot on both sides, has a button on the side. You have a nice tip here, and oh, it looks like when I pressed that button it did some sort of blinking. Nope. Okay, I thought it did. And it looks like we have a stainless steel kind of thing at the back here, and it doesn't have an eraser unless that magically works as an eraser. I doubt it. And you have one singular pen tip. Now let's look at the unit itself. This is really exciting stuff. Ooh, wow, what a sticky rubber. I like it. I like it a lot. So this back is very reminiscent of the Huawei devices that has a kind of a fake leather at the back. It leaves a little bit of fingerprints and it's a little bit snappy. There's a little, oh, get it? There's a little bit gap between the back plastics and the PCB slash the battery. It doesn't seem to be a perfect kind of tooling, but this is about the mid-range of tooling. It is a plastic body instead of an aluminum body. We have a USB-C on one side. You have a microphone with one speaker. Yep, one speaker. Bottom has nothing. Opposing side, we'll say, has nothing. Top has the very iconic iReader orange button, and you have two physical buttons on it. And look at this. It is not a flush screen and bezel. This is really nice. I much really like it. Now they've biased it towards a left-handed experience so far with these right here, but there is a 100% chance you will be able to rotate that. Let's just do a first-time boot up to see what we're looking at. So it basically looks like every iReader we've ever used in the past. So let's get this rotate going, because I'm not liking the right-handed, left-handed thing. I really do want to swap that around. Oh, thank goodness. That feels so much more natural. Obviously, the way I hold it versus the way I'm going to use it, but all e-readers start like this, and this one started the other way. It's not a big deal. Now, they said something, if you drop the corner, there you go. You have a little bit of an assistant there, and you have bookshelf, and you have mine. It says, mine is my stuff. Oh, wait, that's not even my stuff. That's just a bunch of apps and settings? Oh, it is my stuff. No, it's the settings menu. Oh, that's odd. Okay, well, as you know, a lot of these Chinese manufacturers do have problems with the colloquial terminologies that we do use as North Americans typically do. Yeah, see, that is. Settings is mine. Okay, very interesting. And it does have the swipe gestures, but we will get into all this in a full review. For now, this is the unboxing of the brand new iReader Musnap Ocean C. Stay tuned for the full review.